Hello all, welcome to Read to Share. Today's story is called One Day on Our Blue Planet in the Rainforest. As the morning sun rises over the rainforests of South America, a young black spider monkey and his mother look out across the treetops. Relaxing nearby are the rest of his family, who all live together in a group called a troop. They use barks and screeches to talk to each other. It can be very noisy. The little monkey clings tightly to his mother's back. Using her strong tail like an extra arm, she swings through the tangled branches, reaching for the most delicious fruits and leaves to eat. The rainforest is home to many other creatures, from tiny marmosets, tamarines, to the strangest and most beautiful birds. But where has little monkey's mother gone? He cannot see her anywhere in the crowded canopy. He searches through the dense lower levels of the rainforest and emerges above a winding river. His troop often comes down here to drink, but his mother is nowhere to be found. He never ventures this far down on his own. The plants and creatures here have adapted to low light. And not all of them are friendly. Here she is. Luckily, there are very few things that can catch a spider monkey in the trees. Darkness draws in, and the nighttime animals begin to emerge from their hidden nests and secret burrows. The monkey's mother carries him to safety of their troop's favorite sleeping tree. As the forest buzzes with the sounds of insects and little monkey sleeps in his mother's arms. Until a new sun rises on another day on our blue planet. The end. Thank you for listening. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.